The world changed quicker than most people realize. You wake up, you check your phone, and everything around you looks the same. But it isn't. The rules you learned growing up, the advice your parents gave you, the things you were told to believe, none of that applies anymore. Not because they were wrong, but because the world moved faster than anyone expected. Today, opportunities exist in places they never did before. And yet, most people are still living like it's 1999. Why? Because the world changed while most people were waiting. Waiting for permission, waiting for motivation, waiting for clarity. They're still waiting, but time never waits. Here's the truth most people don't want to admit. You don't need more motivation. You need clarity. Not on what you want, but on where the world is going. You see, in the past, people could succeed by following the same path as everyone else. Go to school, get a job, work hard, save money, retire one day. But now, that path is collapsing. Opportunities don't come from stability anymore. They come from adaptation. Not enough people realize this. The world stopped rewarding obedience. It started rewarding initiative. Initiative doesn't come from waiting. It comes from acting. If you want to build wealth in this era, you must think differently. Here's the first shift most people never make. Old rule: work hard. New rule: work intelligently. Hard work built the industrial age, but intelligence builds the network age. This is the world where one person can out-earn a corporation, one idea can impact millions, and one step forward beats 10 steps planned. We used to think success came from consistency alone. Now, success comes from strategic consistency, doing the right things consistently, not just any things. This is why some people feel stuck, not because they are not capable, but because they are using the wrong strategy. They are playing the old game, but the game has changed. Here's the second shift you need to make. Old rule: don't fail. New rule: fail fast, learn fast. In the old world, failure was dangerous. Now, failure is feedback. Fast feedback accelerates growth, and growth is how wealth is built. So don't avoid failure, embrace it, because every lesson learned quickly brings you closer to mastery, and mastery is where exponential growth begins. Now here's something most people miss. The economy today doesn't reward time, it rewards value. In the past, you were paid for the hours you worked. Today, you are paid for the impact you create. Impact comes from clarity. Impact comes from solving real problems. Impact comes from people wanting what you offer. So ask yourself, are you creating impact? Are you solving a problem people are willing to pay for? If not, you're playing the old game, and the old game is dying. Now let me tell you a third shift. Old rule: save money. New rule: make money work for you. Saving alone doesn't build wealth. Saving protects you. Investing builds you. And investing isn't just about stocks, it's about opportunities. Opportunities to learn, to create, to build. Digital skills, online income streams, entrepreneurship, automation, AI, enhanced productivity. These are where modern wealth is created, not by chance, but by design. Now you might be thinking, this sounds hard, this sounds risky, and you're right. But here's the real truth. Doing the easy thing will always leave you behind. The world rewards risk takers, not risk avoiders. But not reckless risk, calculated risk, risk backed by learning, backed by strategy, backed by action. That's how ordinary people become extraordinary. Let me tell you a secret. Successful people know. You don't need to be the smartest person in the room. You just need to be the most prepared. Prepared beats talented. Prepared beats lucky. Prepared beats average. Now, let's talk about strategy. Strategy 1. Build skills that are future-proof. Skills people will pay for. Skills that are hard to automate. Skills that solve real problems. Examples: digital marketing, automation with AI, sales psychology, financial literacy, investing knowledge, problem solving, creative communication. Strategy 2. Create multiple income streams. One source of income is fragile. 2 is stable. 3 is freedom. And every additional stream makes you stronger, not busier, stronger. Strategy 3. Reinvent yourself continuously. The world changes fast. Your skills need to change faster. There is no permanence in success, only continuous evolution. Now, let's get practical. Take one area of your life you want to change. Write it down. Then list one action you can take today, not tomorrow, today, no matter how small. That action starts momentum. Momentum builds confidence. Confidence builds results, and results attract opportunity. This is not motivational fluff. This is strategy backed by successful people, by entrepreneurs, by creators, by investors, by thought leaders. And it works. But you must act, because information alone doesn't change your life. Action does. Now here's my final message. If this video opened your eyes even a little, if it made something inside you shift, subscribe to Holnian Tunnel, because the next videos are about how to build financial freedom, how to develop future-ready skills, how to use AI and technology to your advantage, how to make money online with real methods, how to eliminate fear and grow confidence. And if you are serious about changing your life, check the links in the description and the first comment. Those resources are tools, not magic pills. They help you learn faster, act smarter, grow stronger. Remember this: the world changed. Your old rules won't work anymore, but you can learn the new ones. You can adapt. You can grow. You can become the person who thrives, not the person who survives. This is your time. Start now.